finally, this day has come. This day that God has set us to become one. In front of all of our family, relatives, and closest friends. I just can't thank God enough that I get to spend the rest of my life with you.
My dearest Christine, my classmate, my best friend, my girlfriend, and now, dumating na nga yung pinaka-nais kong maitawag sa'yo at yun ay ang bilang aking my wife. Naalala ko, lagi mo ako tinatanong kung bakit ikaw. Simple lang naman yung dahilan. Siyempre, sinunod ko lamang kung ano yung pinagkaloob sa akin ng Panginoon. Dahil tulad nga nung sinabi ni Pastor na ang marriage, it's a God's plan. Hindi man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away pati natin di na namamalayan. Heto tayo.
Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa'yo.
Makakaya natin lahat ng mga darating pang problema sa ating buhay. Sa tulong na din ng mga pamilya, ng iyong pamilya, ng aking pamilya, ay magagawa natin ito ng paraan.
Ulit-ulitin man.
Thank you for your patience and love. More importantly, thank you for staying. Thank you for choosing me and for always choosing us. And thank you for making this our dream wedding come true.
Lost at sea. I will carry you when it's hard to breathe. I will hold you when the stars fade out. I will catch you when the tears fall down. Should the world come crashing on all your dreams, my love, don't let go, hold on to me. My love, don't let go, hold on to me. Hold on, hold on. May your heart be strong, may your fears be weak. Hold on, hold on. When you feel like letting go, hold on to me. I'll catch you, hold on, I'll catch you. I'll catch you.
So ang pag-aasawa is ito po'y isang banal na gawain. Bakit? Kasi nga ang Diyos ang may akda, the Holy God ordained it, the Holy Bible teach it, and the Holy Spirit confirm it.
Today, I commit to you fully and without reservation as your better half and a partner in life. I vow and pray to support your dreams and to stand by you through all of our life's experiences. I pray and vow to grow with you and build with you a better life each day as we learn from each other to be patient, kind, giving, and to always cherish each day together. to cultivate patience, to show kindness, and to give you my all. This I promise now and forever. I love you so much.